My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 63. In this lecture, I will continue my discussion on violin plots. There are 5 preset Seaborn themes: dark grid, white grid, dark, white, and ticks. They are each suited to different applications and personal preferences. The default theme means if you are not specifying any theme means it will be treated as dark grid. That means the default theme is dark grid. The grid helps the plot serves as a lookup table for quantitative information. I already discussed about these grids in my previous lectures. White grid theme is better suited to plots with heavy data elements. Now we will try to understand our violin plot with simple example. Just see this simple example. Import Seaborn as SNS. SNS is a alias for Seaborn library. Set is a method or function in which I am keeping style is an attribute whose value is white grid. I already explained this is the name of the theme. This white grid is better suited to plots with heavy data elements. SNS dot violin plot. On x-axis, this data means data frame name. Age is a variable in toyota.csv file. Just observe this violin plot. This one is a horizontal. As we discussed in my previous lecture, this one is combination of box plot. This is your box whisker plot and KDE. This is KDE, isn't it? What is KDE? I discussed, isn't it? The combination of both. You can interpret about age of the car by using this violin plot. Just observe this one. It has got more width in this region. What does it mean? It has got higher probability in this region. What does it mean? In between approximately 60 to 70. This is age means what? 20 months, 40 months, 60 months, 80 months. What does it mean? There are more number of cars in between 60 to 70 months. This I already discussed. This white one indicates median, isn't it? I discussed this whiskers also. I need not repeat again and again. Just refer my previous lecture. You can understand interpretation of this particular output. Same output I am showing in a little bit big screen so that you can view it without any ambiguity. Let me proceed further. Yes, here what am I doing? It's same code, just I am changing this instead of I am changing theme. In previous case, what we were saying white grid. Instead of white grid, in the theme means in the place of style I am assigning, there are 5 possible values, isn't it? Dark grid, white grid, dark, white, and ticks. In this case, I am keeping dark. This is dark theme. Dark theme means you will get output like this. Even if you want to see the output in big screen, you can see this is this theme of this particular output is dark. Previous one is white grid, isn't it? Now, anyway, let me proceed. You can SNS dot violin plot x equal to fuel type means on x-axis I am taking a categorical variable. How many fuels are there? Petrol, CNG, diesel. On y-axis, I am taking age. Now we are interested in plotting a violin plot. Your data frame name is data. How will it be? This is self-explanatory, isn't it? On x-axis, I am taking fuel. This how it is. It's just see, on x-axis. Which one we are taking? We are taking fuel types. Therefore, diesel, petrol, CNG, on y-axis you are taking age. Anyway, one can understand what's the meaning of this violin plot. Why? Because we already discussed the meaning of this violin plot in my previous lecture, that is in lecture number 62. Now, anyway, let me proceed further. Actually, there is something like palette. What is this palette? What does it mean? Forget about Python programming language or Seaborn library. What is general meaning of palette? If you go through the dictionary, what is the English meaning of palette? Palette means a thin board or slab. Yes, it is a palette, isn't it? A thin board or a slab on which artist lays and mixes colors. You can mix the colors, isn't it? Now this palette may take different values. That may be muted, that may be bright, that may be pastel, that may be dark, that may be color blind, that may be deep. You can make a different experiment, just change palette value and try to understand the output for different palette values. For example, muted means I am printing, I am interested to know which type of colors are available for muted. Just sns.color underscore palette. Just say, if you say muted, these are the different or several available colors in your palette. By using these colors, by mixing these colors, you can construct a violin plot. How will it be? We will try to analyze. Just see this one. Here I am adding one more argument. It's same code, just like previous one. On x-axis I am taking fuel type. On a y-axis I am taking age. Hue is a parameter. This hue parameter I already discussed in my previous lectures. Means I am interested in comparing fuel type with age depending on hue parameter automatic. Automatic means what? There are two types of cars. One is manual gear. 0 means manual gear. 1 means automatic gear. Your gearbox may be automatic gearbox. Your gearbox may be manual gearbox. As I told you, 0 indicates manual gearbox, 1 indicates automatic gearbox. If I want to compare fuel type with this fuel type is a categorical variable which I am taking on x-axis. Age is a numerical variable I am taking on y-axis. I am comparing these two variables depending on your gearbox, whether it is having automatic gearbox or manual gearbox. Data is my data frame name. I already explained what is palette. Muted means which possible values it can take, isn't it? Now this one is output. This output, just say on x-axis I am taking fuel type, diesel, petrol, CNG. On y-axis I am taking age of the car. I am comparing them depending on the hue parameter automatic. This 0 means what? Manual car, whereas your 1 means what? Automatic car. If you observe this your violence, just in the case of petrol car, you have this color, this one related color, but you don't have this one color for diesel, even for CNG. What does it mean? There is no car with diesel and CNG fuel which is having automatic gearbox. All the cars is having 0. 0 means this color. Just see, here you have, here also you have. Means all types of fuel cars is having manual gearbox. But this color you can see here only. What does it mean? Only petrol fuel car is having automatic gearbox, isn't it? This indicates automatic. This indicates what it indicates? Manual gearbox cars. This you can always understand. These are self-explanatory. Just see, these are known as medians. Just see the medians. This is known as box whisker plot. This is known as box whisker plot. This is known as KDE. We already discussed this KDE. I told you I will record a separate lecture on KDE. KDE, it is a mixture of KDE and box whisker plot. Now, certainly one can understand this output. Just I am showing the same output in little bit big screen. Just let me proceed further. Now, there is something like split. What is this split? We will try to understand this split. Just SNS dot violin plot, x equal to fuel type, just same thing, y equal to age, just like previous case or previous slide, hue equal to automatic, data equal, till this stage it's same, isn't it? This everything is same. Just we are adding which one? The split parameter. We are adding split attribute. Split equal true. What is the split? Basically, the split is Boolean type variable. Boolean type variable means what? It can take either true or false. By default, it is false. Means if you are not specifying anything about split, it will be treated as false. Setting split to true. In this case, I am setting the split variables to true. Setting split to true will draw half of violin for each level. This is important. Let me see output first so that we can understand it. If it's possible, we will try to see this output in big screen. What it says, just let me explain again. Setting split to true will draw half of violin for each level. How many levels I have? I have 2 levels. 0 level in the sense that is manual gearbox. 1 level means automatic gearbox. Therefore, 1/2 of the violin will represent manual gearbox and another one represent automatic gearbox. Just see, in the case of diesel, you don't have any automatic gearbox cars. Therefore, this is not showing. Even in the case of CNG, there is no car with automatic gearbox. Therefore, it is second half is it is not displaying second half of the violin plot. But whereas in the case of petrol car, it is also having automatic gearbox cars. Therefore, it is showing both the levels. That's what it says. It will draw half of a violin for each level. First half it is displaying for manual. Second level it is displaying for automatic gearbox cars, isn't it? This can make it is easier to directly compare the distributions. It's simple and straightforward. Anyway, let me proceed further. Control violin order by passing an explicit order. Means what does it mean? You can specify order of the violins. How can I specify? Just see, X is fuel type, Y is age. On X-axis I am taking fuel type. On Y-axis I am taking age. This data is my data frame name. Order of the output must be, just see, I already specified. What is that order? Which order I have specified? Order means, otherwise let me explain first what is order. By default it is none. Order is list of strings. Just see this in the order. Is it not list? Just see, this is list. Within square brackets means list. It is a string. Petrol is a string. CNG is a string. Diesel is a string. Therefore, it's a list of strings. It is an optional argument, isn't it? Order to plot the categorical levels. In which order you want to plot? First, I need petrol violin. Next, I need CNG violin. Then I need diesel violin. Is it? Otherwise, the levels are. If you don't mention, if you are not specified this order, what happens? The levels are inferred from the data frame. It takes, it follows the order of your data frame. Just see, petrol, CNG, diesel is the same order. Same order it is displaying. My first violin is related to petrol. My second violin is related to CNG. My third violin is related to diesel. Just I am specifying the order, isn't it? Anyway, this we will try to understand these things in with our Jupyter notebook. Just we will go and we will discuss just this. You know how to, just I already executed this. I am cleaning the data. You know how to clean the data. Just I am cleaning the data. After cleaning the data, I have to construct X equal to what it says. Just see this, import CBON as SNS. Style is white grid. SNS dot violin plot X equal to data of age. I am constructing a violin for age. Just see, this is white grid. White grid means, just see, your theme is looking like this. Maybe if you want to, let me increase the size so that it may be more, it may be visible. Just see, this is white grid, isn't it? And next one, just here I am saying style or theme. Your theme is dark. If it is dark, what happens? Just you can see the difference output. Earlier it is showing some lines. This one is known as dark. Your theme is dark. This background is dark, isn't it? It is simple and straightforward. What it says, a muted palette. Your palette maybe it may take different values. If it is muted, these are the possible values. It can take, these are the possible values. This is a palette. If you want, you can construct. You can give palette. Just see here I am giving palette equal muted. From this particular palette it is collecting colors and it is displaying it is displaying your violence, isn't it? Now even you can specify what you can specify, it is something like count, isn't it? If you want, you can specify count. What it says, this is the, let me run this program, just see what it says. Yes, it is displaying count. I already discussed in my slide. It is what it says, it will draw half of the violin for each levels. This is 0 level, this is 1 level. 0 means auto, 0 means manual, 1 means automatic. If for each level it is displaying, only for petrol car you can have two both gearboxes, therefore it's displaying. I already discussed this. Order also I discussed. Just if you specify order, which order I specified, petrol, CNG, diesel. Just so you can see output, just petrol, CNG, CNG, diesel. This just, it is simple lecture. You just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, just keep a comment so that we will try to understand. Thank you very much for attending this lecture.